What's on a farm, Hannah? What do you think is on a farm? Bah! So there are sheep on a farm, right? What else is on a farm? Huh? What else is on a farm? Do we have horses on a farm? Yeah, horses. What sound do horses make? Neigh. And do we have cows on a farm? Cows, right? What sound do cows make? And maybe we have barn owls. Do we have owls? What sound do owls make? Ooh, that's right. You got your mouth full. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Oh no, don't spit that out. Put that back in. What else is on a farm? Do you think there are kitties on a farm? Yeah, what sound do kitties make? Awesome. And do you think there's a dog on the farm? Uh-huh. What sound do dogs make? Ruff, ruff, that's right. Do you think there are chickens? What sound do chickens make? Bok, 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 that's right. Good job. Are we going to go to a farm today? Is Mommy taking you to a farm? Yeah? Are you going to have fun? Good. Thank you.